how to go from this to this.
Today I'm going to show you how to refurbish a gel coat with our new Iridium Soft abrasive. We are going to start with Iridium Soft 600. One thing that I like with Iridium Soft is that it has a really long lifetime. As you see here, all this is sanded with only one disc. The first polishing step is with heavy cut compound together with twisted wool. This is to get rid of the scratches made by the abrasives. The second step is with fine compound together with yellow waffle. This is used to get rid of the holograms made by the previous polishing step. A small tip, offset the polishing pad a few millimeters to get the best finish.